Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 19 update with Anita. So how's it going so far?
It was a pretty good week, yeah. Despite different stresses and whatnot, it worked out well.
That's good. Like for the last 7 or 8 weeks, we're not focusing too much on losing weight. However, I guess I believe you lost some weight. So how much do you weigh as of today?
Well, I lost 2 pounds this week, so I weigh 193.
So how much total weight did you lose?
34 pounds so far.
That's a new record, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you remember when was the last time you've seen this number?
I don't even want to think about when I saw this last. Probably 20 years. Mm-hmm.
And did you find it very challenging to lose the extra 2 pounds, or?
This week to lose the 2 pounds? No, because we've been going through this step by step that, and learning week by week different skills. It wasn't difficult at all actually last week.
That's really good. I know that your final goal will be 170, 75 or something like that. Do you think like after you finish this program, sometime in the future, do you think you can do it on your own,
Oh yeah.
and reach your goal?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's just one goal, Amen. It goes beyond that.
Oh, so you might change it again.
Oh, absolutely.
How did you find changing the goal or the way to stay at? Like, can you change it and you stick with it the way you want?
Well, this is the thing is when I've done this in the past, it started a diet or whatever you want to call it. To lose 10-20 pounds was very difficult, and so that was my goal, 10 or 20 pounds. But because this is a lifestyle change, I feel like this can go until I say I'm done. And so
that's right.
Sky's the limit.
And that's right. That's why we are focusing on changing the lifestyle more than how much weight. But the weight will fluctuate. This is very
right.
If we eat whatever we like, to some degree, we'll gain some weight, right? But the challenging part is how to control your weight, or how to maintain it, right?
Yes.
And at the same time, you are eating what you like, relatively for sure, right?
Right, for sure. But I do not feel deprived whatsoever. I've never eaten so well in my life.
That's really good.
Very satisfied with what I eat.
Very good, excellent. So I wish you best of luck, and I look forward to have a follow-up with you.
Great.